or Wandering Star.
At 6 a.m., balloon pilots, coffee in hand, began to gather around the briefing board to see what the weather and winds were up to. The crew of the Wandering Star pulled into their spot, but they wouldn't stay for long. Today was the day for the parachute drop. The balloon was to start 2 to 3 miles away from the field and attempt to pass back over the field and drop a small parachute weighted with a tiny sandbag inside an area marked off with an X. Pilot Ed Bukoff watched other balloons to see how the winds were blowing. With a map, compass, and wind chart, Bukoff decided where to launch his craft. In a parking lot along I-25 south of Comanche, the crew set up, while several people gathered to watch. Steering a balloon means finding the altitude which has a wind going the way you want to. At 8:30, the balloon took off, hoping to pass over the field and score points by dropping the parachute on the mark. But it didn't go well for the Wandering Star this morning. Most of the 45 balloons involved in the competition just couldn't find the right wind. 1 or 2 balloons were able to get close enough to make an attempt, but the Wandering Star drifted too far west, ran out of wind, and finally put down near Edith and Osuna, without ever coming close enough to drop its parachute. Tomorrow, the Wandering Star and others will try to drop a tumbleweed on the mark as the Balloon Fiesta competition continues. Jay Garcia, Newsroom 13.